Hello, Temple Aliyah. Shabbat Shalom. I hope everyone had a wonderful Hanukkah. Thank you, Chazan Stein, for asking me to talk a few minutes about the COVID-19 vaccine. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Marc Levin. I'm an internist. I work at a West Hills hospital. I've been a Temple member for more than 20 years, and I'm working the front line at the hospital since February, March, since the beginning. And I'm pretty tired of being in quarantine, tired of wearing a mask, tired of not being able to see family. And I'm sure you guys are all tired too. And the good news is I see a light at the end of this tunnel. And that light is this vaccine. I understand people are very hesitant to take this vaccine because it's a new vaccine. It was made pretty quick, and even those that normally vaccinate against all other diseases are hesitant. So I put a post on Facebook discussing these issues, and Chazan Stein saw that post and asked me if I could talk about them. So basically, the post was questions that patients have asked, and we'll start with, will I be getting the vaccine myself? And the answer is undoubtedly yes. I can't wait to get the vaccine. I'm hoping to get it by next week. We'll see if the hospital gets it. I feel very comfortable getting it. I believe in science, and there was a lot of science that was involved in making this vaccine. So the other question I get, well, it's new technology, and it was made in record time. Am I worried about the safety? And my answer is no more than any other medical intervention. It is a new technology, but it's safe. So the technology is messenger RNA, and this is the first messenger RNA vaccine. So most vaccines are either live vaccines that are weakened, we call that attenuated, or inactivated vaccines, or vaccines that are a protein from a virus that are injected. This vaccine is a messenger RNA is made to the spike protein, which is one of the proteins on the surface of the COVID-19 virus, the coronavirus. And the body will make an antibody to this spike protein, and when you are exposed to the actual virus, it will protect you. More than 95% protect you. As opposed to if you were to get COVID-19, these viruses enter the cells, they destroy the cells explode, and they make clones of many viruses that make you sick. So, as I said, it's 95% effective in preventing COVID-19, which is much higher than any vaccine we actually have. Am I concerned about it being new and the technology's not been used before for vaccines? Well, the technology has been used, not in a vaccine per se, but in cancer. They make a vaccine using a messenger RNA to specifically target certain proteins that are on tumor cells to destroy the tumors. And that's been used for years. It's true, we have not used it in a preventive sense as a true vaccine, but the technology is not new, and I trust the technology. It's safe technology, and so again, I wouldn't hesitate to get the vaccine. Am I concerned about the speed that it was developed? Weren't some corners cut in order to get it out so quickly? And my answer again is no. I think that when you remove all the red tape and you fund a project, things can happen really quickly. Normally, it would be sitting on the bottom of a pile waiting to just go through phase 1 trials. but because it's a pandemic, it was moved to the top, and there were 37,000 people entered into the phase 3 trials. Let's put it this way. The risk of me dying from coronavirus is anywhere between 1 in 250 to 1 in 1,000. There's minuscule risk of me getting sick from getting this vaccine. In addition, getting the coronavirus, if I didn't die, there's a possibility of long-term lung problems, possibly heart problems. We don't know. So now, for the rest of the population that's not in first responders, healthcare workers, and living in nursing homes or working in nursing homes, you're going to get your vaccine probably February, March. You'll see the thousands of people that will get it before you, and you'll see you'll be able to see that it's safe. There were a couple cases in London of people who are highly allergic that traveled with EpiPens that had some type of allergic reaction. But those are the type of people that perhaps shouldn't get the vaccine. So I think that's my final thoughts are we have to get out of the tunnel. In order to get out of the tunnel, the majority of us have to get this vaccine. Please stay safe. Please wear a mask. Continue to socially distance. And we will get out of this tunnel soon. Thank you and Shabbat Shalom.
All right, I got to have my COVID vaccine. Let's do it.